Hello everybody. Today we will start our ninth chapter, problem and problem solving. People in their daily routine life solve a lots of problem. In this chapter we are going to learn how we are solving problem with the help of flowchart. We will see flowchart. This word is new for you. In this game our problem is find the location where your friend is hide and seek. Consider that you are playing hide and seek with your friends. In this game, our problem is to find the location where our friend has hidden. This can be done only if we can predict the place of his her hiding. Let's take another problem. So in this chapter, we are just going to see, suppose if you know the tables, 10 into 5, 50. Otherwise, 11 into 7, 77. So we are going to see in the field of computer, or the above example gives us hint what a problem can be. How to calculate two numbers. To do the calculation of two numbers, you must be to have two numbers. 7 plus 5, then only you get the 12. Same way, you know the numbers, but in the field of computer, solution of a given problem is sequence of instruction given to a computer. Underline this line. This is very important line. Computer can solve variety of problems from the easiest to the most complex ones. To solve a problem, it needs to be given a complete set of instructions. These instructions tell the computer what is to be done at every step. Remember one thing, computer does not solve a problem. It merely assists in solving the problem. We can solve any problem using the step mentioned. Define a problem. What is a problem? You must be defined. Identify the input, output and constraints of the problem. To solving this problem, which type of input we should be need to give to the computer. After giving this input, what process will be done into the computer, and after what we want the output. Identify different alternatives of solving the problem. Choose the best possible alternative from the above list. Prepare a detailed step-wise instruction set of identified alternatives. Compute results using this instruction set. Check correctness of the answer obtained. Step 1 to 5 are performed by person who needs a solution, while step 6 and 7 are performed by a computer. First 5 steps we will be performed and 6 and 7 will be done by computer. Assume that we need to find whether a given number is odd or even. What is the criteria to find out the odd or even number? Divide by 2. If there is a remainder, it will be, you know very well, when we say odd or even, the following set of instructions can be used to solve this problem. Accept a number, divide the number by 2 and find the remainder. If the remainder is 1, the given number is odd, otherwise the number is even. This is a simple 3 steps to find out the number whether it is odd or given. The generalized solution to the problem is obtained using 3 different techniques mentioned below: pseudocode, flowchart and algorithm. These 3 are famous techniques to solve the problem. The 3 steps given to finding whether number is odd or even is known as pseudocode. Underline this line. Filling the blank, it will become. The 3 steps given to finding whether a number is odd or even is known as pseudocode. All these steps, which looks like a simple English language, is called a pseudocode. Pseudocode means fake or simulated. We should consider the second meaning as it is a more appropriate in our context. What is pseudocode? Pseudocode. Now what is the definition of the pseudocode is same. Generalized solution to this problem solved is obtained 3 different techniques: pseudocode, flowchart, algorithm. What is meant by pseudocode? Pseudocode means fake or simulated. we should consider the second meaning as it is more appropriate. Underline this line. We can say that the steps mentioned to solve the problem is simulated code. Now what is a flowchart? A flowchart is a technique in which we use principal representation of every action that we perform within the machine that a problem process that solves a problem. A set of symbols showing different action is used to represent a flowchart. Underline these three lines. The symbols are also called component of flowchart. We have a unique symbol corresponding to each action with a process. Let's discuss some commonly used component and its associated symbols. What is meant by flowchart? Flowchart is a technique in which we use the principal representation of every action that we perform within a machine process that solves a problem. Now we will see how some symbols of the flowchart. If we make any chart, there are some symbols. Now flowchart, there are some symbols, start and end. Every flowchart when we start, it should be end. The symbol is used in flowchart is used to beginning as well as the end of the flowchart. Input output. Every problem needs input and then process and then generates output in computer. Listen, you must be remembered all these steps are regarding computer program. Now we are going to learn some high level computer. In next chapter we are going to introduce C programming language. Before going to prepare programming language going to learn coding, we must be know how we can solve the problem, computer problem, how we can create a small program for the computer. So in each and every for computer we need to give input, then computer process on it and then it gives us output. So see, this is a start, process, sorry, this is a start, this is a flow chart, process symbol, input and output. See, provide a number, process on it, print the given number odd or even. Arrow, observe that in both figure 9.1 and 9.2 we have shown arrow coming and going out of the symbol. An arrow is used to show sequence of the action that are to be performed. Underline this line. Why we are using arrow? To show the sequence of the actions that are to be performed. Process. This is a process symbol. Process is a one part of any solution procedure. Without procedure we never get output or answer. A process is actually a sequence of action. Underline this line. What is process? Process is actually sequence of action. This is a process symbol, rectangle. Now next is decision. A logical decision of a process is represented by a diamond shaped symbol is known as decision symbol. See, if percentage is greater than 35, true, he or she will be pass. If it is false, he or she will be fail. When we need to take a decision, when computer need to give decision, at that time we are using decision symbol. It is a diamond shape. See, you must have your textbook in your hand. Condition. Sometime we may require more than two alternatives to take a decision. In such a situation, more than one decision box can be combined from required. So connector. A circle symbol is used to represent a connector. Underline this line. These are a connector. If our flowchart will continue in second, third, fourth page, at that time we will continue it with connector. This is the end of first page and this is the start of second page. Break from one flowchart and joining another flowchart. A circle symbol is used to represent a connector. At times it is possible that flowchart becomes a large to fit in a single page, or it may not possible. We are using connector. Now here they give some examples. Problem 1. The fitting charge of tiles is 10 rupees per square feet. Now assume that the problem is find the total cost of fitting tiles in rectangular shaped town's hall floor. See, area equal to length into breadth. Cost equal to area into 10. See, start. Input length and breadth. Because this is start symbol. This is input symbol. This is process symbol rectangle. This is also process symbol. Cost equal to area into 10. Print cost end. This is a simple flowchart. In this chapter they are giving some examples. You just read it. Sorry. Same way another problem. Suppose you have very nice round clock. Start, input radius, area equal to pi r square. Parameter 2 pi into radius. Print area. These are the simple flowchart of small problems. Problem 5. This is a decision maker. See, problem 4. Assume that you want to find out youngest student among two students. Who is bigger? Say, input the first student cell in age. Input the second cell in age. Compare age 1 and age 2. Is age 1 is greater than age 2? Print second student is youngest. Is A1 is less than 2? Print first student is youngest. This is a decision symbol. This is a output symbol. The program will be end. I hope you will be clear this concept. This is a 9th chapter, problem and problem solving. This is not a problem like I lost my purse or I lost my mobile. This is a very small type of coding which we are going to learn how to make a flowchart. After creating a flowchart only you are able to solve that problem. I hope we will conclude here. Thank you very much. We will continue this chapter in next session. You must be read all this type. All this flowchart you must be familiar with it, because in our C programming language we require it very much. Thank you.